welcome to Life to the Fullest with
Alan
and Drea.
Yeah.
We are in San Antonio, Texas at the Stock Show and Rodeo with my family, and we're bringing you guys along with us. And it is cold.
Yeah, it's really cold.
We're having fun though.
And it was like summertime 2 days ago.
Hot?
That's as big as my hand.
Oh, corn dog. That's not good.
You're not gonna put anything on it?
That's a Texas corn dog.
It's a Texas corn dog. Okay, let's just talk about this inflation for a moment. You guys remember when turkey legs were like $7?
$7.
Let's try 20 now. $20 for one turkey leg.
$20
You
for
get
a
a whole
turkey.
turkey for 20 bucks. Right?
$20 for a turkey
Should be
leg.
able to.
What was that? Like 15?
It was about 15.
No way. Gosh,
Wow.
prophetic.
Okay, gonna feed some pets.
Look at this little one.
I want a baby goat.
Yay.
I
You want
love
to?
baby goats. We didn't actually get to go inside for the actual rodeo part, but we went to the fairgrounds, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. We didn't get to show you everything because some of our footage was erased, but
It was really fun
it was
at
still
first.
fun.
With like high energy and everything. But yeah, we had a lot of fun. We hope you guys enjoyed this, and let us know what you think of our new camera.
And remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes. God bless. Have an amazing day.
Bye.